Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 22nd June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3, Plant Life, Parts of a Plant. So, student, in chapter 2, question number D, answer in short question. This question we have not done in our classwork copy. Okay, 3 questions are left from chapter number 2. So first of all, we write these 3 questions of chapter number 2. Then I continue the chapter 3, that is plant life and parts of plant. So please take out your classwork copy. Is it clear? Take out your classwork copy. Open page number 16. First of all, you note down the 3 questions, question answers. That is question number D, answer in short. And after that, I will continue chapter number 3, plant life and parts of a plant. So question is question number D. And this question we are doing of chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, our internal organs. Our internal organs. Answer in short. Question number 1. What is the role of kidneys in our body? What is the role of kidneys in our body? So student, first of all I give you the explanation, and after that you will note down the answer from the board. Okay, so what is the role of kidneys in our body? So student, we have 2 kidneys in our body. Is it clear? We have 2 kidneys in our body, and kidney filter the liquid waste from the body. Is it clear? The kidney filter the liquid waste. So it means that our kidney filter our blood, and the waste is collected in the form of a liquid, and this liquid waste is known as urine. So when the blood is filtered from the kidney, so in both the kidneys there is a thin tube attached, that is known as ureters. So from the ureters, the liquid waste is collected in the urinary bladder. So from the ureter, from the kidneys, the 2 thin tubes are attached, that are known as ureters, and this liquid waste is collected into the urinary bladder, and through urethra it moves or it goes out of the body. Okay, when your urinary bladder is full, then you feel that you will go for the washroom. In this manner, through urethra, the liquid waste, that is urine, is out of the body. So what is the role of kidneys in our body? The kidney filters the blood. What is kidney? Filter the blood. waste from the blood. So note down the answer. The bean shaped kidney a bean shaped the bean shaped kidneys filter waste the bean shaped kidney filter waste from the blood. Is it clear? So the shape of our kidney is bean. The bean shaped kidneys filter waste from the blood and they help to filter, and waste is filtered in the form of a liquid that is known as urine, and they help to filter the liquid waste from our body in the form of urine. Is it clear? So the answer is the bean shaped kidneys filter waste from the blood. किसमें से वेस्ट फिल्टर करते हैं? ब्लड में से. ठीक है. The bean shaped kidneys filter waste from the blood and they help to filter the liquid waste from our body in the form of a urine. The bean shaped kidneys filter waste from the blood and they help to filter the liquid waste from our body in the form of a urine. You can take a screenshot also. Then question number 2. Write two functions of skeleton. Question 2. Write two functions. Write two functions of skeleton. So first of all, I explain you there are many functions of a skeleton, but we have to write only two function of a skeleton. For example, these framework of bones, they give shape to the body. Okay, they support the body, or these also, it also protect the internal organs of the body. Is it clear? It helps in the locomotion. Locomotion means in the movement of the body. When bones are connected to the muscles, due to this we can move our body. Another function of the skeleton is it is the storehouse of calcium, protein, vitamin and minerals. Is it clear? It is the storehouse of minerals, vitamins, protein and calcium. Okay, and inside the hollow bones, जो hollow बड़ी bones होती हैं बॉडी की, ठीक है, वो hollow होती हैं, मतलब empty होती हैं, खाली होती हैं, तो उनके अंदर फैटी टिश्यूज होते हैं, ठीक है, जिसको हम लोग बोन मैरो बोलते हैं, ठीक है, एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस आरबीसी मीन्स रेड ब्लड सेल्स. So these are all the function of your skeleton system. So we will write only two function of the skeleton system, that is two functions of skeleton are it give shape, it gives shape to our body. Is it clear? It gives shape to our body. It protects the internal organs of the body. It protects the internal organs of the body. For example, your brain is very soft, or you can say delicate organ, so it is protected by the skull. It is made of 8 flat bones. It is made of 8 flat bones, and there your brain is protected, and with the rib cage, or you can say your chest bone, they protect the heart and lungs and other internal organs. So in this manner, two function of skeleton are it gives shape to our body. Next say it protects the internal organs of the body. Note down the answer. Question number 3. Okay, now which gas, question number 3, which gas does our body absorb and and which gas does it throw out? So student, all of you see on the board, which gas does our body absorb and which gas does it throw out? ठीक है, तो it is very simple answer. As we know that oxygen is our living gas, so the gas which is absorbed by our body, that is the oxygen. Through the nose we breathe in, and from nose through the windpipe it enters into the lungs. Is it clear? Through windpipe it enter to the lungs, and in the lungs there are blood vessels and oxygen mixed with the blood, and then oxygen rich blood is circulate to whole parts of the body by by the heart, because heart pump blood to all part of the body, and through which blood vessel? That is arteries. Through the arteries it reach to all parts of the body, and after that what happens? The blood is collected by when from all the parts, and then it return back to the heart, and this blood is rich in carbon dioxide. From the heart, carbon dioxide rich blood goes into the lungs, so we breathe out. In this manner the carbon dioxide gas is out from our body. Is it clear? So it is asked on the question, which gas does our body absorb? Answer is our body absorb oxygen and it throw out carbon dioxide. ठीक है, our body absorb oxygen and it throw out carbon dioxide gas. So 3 answers which are left from chapter number 2. chapter number 2 में 3 answers ये we have not done at that time. So now chapter number 2, these short answers we have completed. Now I will continue chapter number 3. You take a screenshot. Plant life plant life parts of a plant. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. Okay, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, I explained you what is a stem, what parts were by the shoot system, and what are the parts that are were by the stem. Okay, and after that, student, I explained you the what are the functions. Is it clear? What are the function of the stem? So for example, the stem support the plant above the ground and it bears branches, leaf, flower, bud, fruit. So these are the parts which are connected to the attached to the stem. Is it clear? Next thing is that stems carry water and minerals absorbed by the roots to all parts of the plant, and some of the stem, like a root, some of the stem also stored food like sugar cane, potato, ginger. Okay, so potato and ginger are underground stems because we find the food in the soil, so that is the reason they are known as underground stem. After that, I explained you about leaf. What is the structure of a leaf? So what is the flat broad part of the leaf is attached to the branch. Where the leaves are attached, student? Leaves are attached to the branch. Is it clear? And mostly the color of the leaf is green due to the presence of a chlorophyll. Mostly the color of the leaf is green due to the presence of a chlorophyll, and the flat part of the leaf is known as, you can say it as a leaf blade or lamina. Okay, the flat broad part of the leaf is called leaf blade, or you can also say lamina. So in the middle of the leaf blade or lamina, you can say it having a main vein, and from these main vein, or you can also say mid-rib. Okay, so from this main vein many side veins are connected. ठीक है, इस मेन वेन से बहुत साइड वेन्स कनेक्टेड रहती हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस वेन्स? वेन्स आर जस्ट लाइक ए ट्यूब. जैसे आपको अपने गार्डन में वाटर देना है तो आप पाइप का यूज करते हो पूरे गार्डन को वाटर देने के लिए. इन द सेम मैनर these when distribute water and food. Is it clear? Water and food to the leaf. ठीक है. And one and most important thing which is present on the underside of a leaf, that is the tiny pores. The most important thing, that is, a leaf has many tiny pores on the underside. And why these are very important? Because these stomata, these tiny pores which are known as stomata, the exchange of gases take place here. Is it clear? Exchange of gases take place. It means when the plant prepare the food, they take carbon dioxide, and at the same time they release oxygen. Is it clear? At the time when they prepare food, they take carbon dioxide, and the same time they release oxygen. So this is the complete structure of a leaf. Now one by one, let's discuss the functions of leaves. functions of leaves. First point, leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Okay, let's discuss this point. Leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Why we say that? Because already in the beginning of the chapter I already explained you that when we are talking about the living things, then it is divided into three groups, that is plants, human beings and animals. But only plants are the producers, and we human beings and animals, what we are the consumers. It means plants are only producers. It means what? The only plants can prepare their own food. Only plants can prepare their own food. Is it clear? That is, and which part of the plant? Why we say only leaves? ठीक है? So when I explain you with the help of a diagram on the board, what are the different part of the plant? Plants have two systems, that is shoot system and root system. The part above the ground, shoot system, the part below the ground in the soil, that is the root. And what are the parts of a plant? Stem, branches, leaves, fruit, flower, buds. So these are the part of the plants. So out of these part, we know that plants can prepare their own food. Plants can prepare their own food. Now the question arises, which part of the plant prepare food? Which part of the plants prepare food? ठीक है, plants can prepare their own food. So question arises, which part of the plants prepare food? So answer is leaves. Answer is leaves. Okay, that is the reason we say leaf as the kitchen of the plant. So plant can prepare their own food. Question arises, which part of the plant? Because मैंने plants के सारे parts आपको बता दिए, root, stem, branches, leaves, flower, bud. So these are the part of the plant. So which part of the plant is responsible for preparing the food? That is the leaves are responsible for preparing the food. That is the reason we say that leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. That is the reason we say leaves are the kitchen of the plant, because there are many parts present in the plant, but the part which is responsible for preparing the food for the plant, that is the leaves. That is the leaves. And now the next step, the plant prepared their own food. What was the name of the process? Plants prepared their own food. So what was the process? So which part of the plant prepared food? Leaves. Leaves prepare their own food, and this process is known as photosynthesis. This process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, we will continue the video in the next video. We will continue this topic in the next video. Thank you.